Hi, today's Hindu editorial is about the G20 summit that happened recently in Indonesia. So, Indonesia's President Joko Widodo is going to officially hand over the leadership of G20 from Indonesia to Indian Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi. India will be the official G20 holder of from December 1st. India has a huge responsibility on its shoulders now. It has to organize meetings, close to 400 meetings at least it has to organize, and it is India's duty to make sure all the countries participate, including big countries like US or China. We should make their presence in the meeting. That is the success of India. So this will be a priority. Next is about earlier it was very tough for all the countries to come into the same agreement, and luckily Indonesian conference happened very well, and we all did sign a 17-page consensus document telling war is very bad for the human race. We shouldn't wage war. Like example, what is happening in Russia and Ukraine is a very bad thing. So discussion happened in all this perspective, and so if India is going to take over this meeting, India has to talk about various aspects that is acting as a threat to the world countries, like global warming, climate change, food and energy shortage, terrorism and conflict, and bridging the digital divide. So we'll see how India handles it. And next is about the strained relationship between US President Joe Biden and Chinese President Xi Jinping. This is the first time in Indonesia they have both met for real time. And they did have a very good body language in the hosting ceremony compared to the stone-faced which they used to have generally in their meetings. So it was a welcome step, and they did express their concern about China and their policy. China said that democracy for US might differ, and China's democratic policy might differ. Why would US violate China's policy? And they initiated about one China policy, and US not recognizing it. So a lot of controversy happened only when the US House Speaker Ms. Nancy Pelosi visited Taiwan. That is the creator of a lot of problems between both the countries. So they just listened to what they both were, and starting a trade war or a technology war and building walls and shutting down supply chains is going to affect both the ends of the party. So they have agreed to get into good terms. So yeah, it will be better if things go smoothly between India and US and China. We'll be very happy if they don't fight ahead. So we'll wait and see what happens. Thank you.